Yo, what is up, you guys? This is finally making our first video.
Finally, I think it's been long overdue.
I want to just say thank you guys for being so patient and waiting. I know a lot of you were expecting this, but we have some exciting news to move forward. Okay.
So, my name is Alma, and this is my boyfriend.
My name's Marcus, you already know.
And
hey.
welcome to our channel. This is our first YouTube video. We're so excited. We're gonna go ahead and get started. The first one that we saw was jalapenos with cream cheese.
Oh, guys.
Takis.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna taste, but they said it was good, so let's go ahead and try it. So I think first we're gonna go and cut our jalapenos, and then we take all that nasty.
Oh yeah, let's get real deep in there, huh?
Ooh, it's already. Guys, I get grossed out so easily, so
I don't
if
know.
I vomit,
I don't know if I can handle the spice.
you're me not helping me and just watching me. Get a knife,
Ay.
Ew.
Got any clean knives or what? Oh, I got a small knife.
Oh my god, so many semillas.
Ooh.
Okay, so then.
Oh, it's kicking? Is it kicking,
I
babe?
don't like this smell of it.
Oh, it's kicking, she said.
Boy, why are you talking? Get to cooking.
Alright. So,
Okay. Then, supposedly, me not knowing English.
dude, to be honest, I don't know how to cut a jalapeno. But we're gonna take a crack at it, you know?
So you're supposed to fill it in with cream cheese. I don't know if you can see,
Dude, I don't know.
but you're supposed to fill it in. Oh, mine's kind of cute, but I hope it tastes good. And then,
Wait.
that's what you get for talking.
No!
And then you put in 3 takis. Well, as many as can fit, I guess.
Hold up.
It's supposed to look something like that. And now we're gonna wait.
Did I get it? I'm trying to, I'm thinking like it's gonna squeeze out, but then if I do that, it's gonna come on. Unless I. Oh, wait a minute. It's coming, it's going. Guys, I'm trying. Be patient. Bear with me, please. I'm just trying. Yes! But there's a lot of seeds still, and I don't want that.
Okay, so now.
Oh, look at that perfect cut! Alright.
So now I'm gonna fill it in.
Guys, I haven't
Ooh,
had
low-key
Takis in a
scared.
while, bro. Takis. I like cream cheese.
Oh yeah.
I think it's pretty fire.
If you hear our dogs, we are so sorry.
Yeah,
They are not in the kennel.
I'm not complying right now.
This is how they're supposed to. Oh hi, me being ugly.
Oh
They're
wow,
supposed
that's.
to look like.
Oh, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, guys?
We are going to try this. Oh my god, are you ready? Cheers. They said it was really good, so.
Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
Okay.
Dang.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
You know what? The cream cheese really does help.
This is really good.
Wow.
TikTok, you know what you're doing.
Alright, 1 out of 10. If you
1
have-
out of 10?
Oh, well, 10 being the best, not 1 being the
Oh.
worst. Come on.
I thought you rated it 1 out of 10. I was like,
No, I'm asking you,
What?
what would you rate it, babe? Come on. Tell me.
I would rate it a 9 out of 10. It's
All
really
right.
good. I really thought it
Ready to
was
go?
going to be spicier, but it's like the perfect combination.
I was
The
really
cream
scared
cheese.
for this, but you know what?
The cream cheese is pretty good.
It is pretty good, and I have to rate it.
Let me get a napkin.
Oh, I have to rate it at least. I'm gonna say 9.5. The reason why is because maybe.
Ain't nobody care why.
Hold up, maybe you can add something else to this. Maybe. But it's pretty good. Go ahead and try, guys.
Me already going to the second one. The second TikTok snack that we saw, or TikTok hack,
Oh.
a bell pepper, green bell pepper, cream cheese, and everything but the bagel seasoning, which we got it. So this might be our breakfast. So we're gonna start.
I'll go ahead and open up the bagel. We just bought this at HEB a couple hours ago. So let me just take off the seal packaging. You know? Wow.
Ooh.
I know.
I feel like it's gonna be similar to.
I don't know.
Let's actually.
I'm really liking it. I already have that first taste for the jalapeno with toppings.
That's
So
good.
we'll see.
Okay.
There's our dollar.
There's my anaquiles.
Alright, okay. That was yours.
You guys, comment down below if you have tried these hacks or if you want to try them. Please let us know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, we're so
And
excited.
give us your honest opinion.
Yeah.
You know?
We're not lying over here, honestly.
Yeah.
That first
This
snack
first-
was good.
This is first take right here, so I am very optimistic right now.
Sorry if I'm screaming. I'm literally deaf. Like, see, no, I'm deaf.
Honestly, yeah. You gotta at least shout in your ear twice or a couple times.
Okay, so we got the bell pepper and we got the cream cheese, and now supposedly you put a lot of this. Comment down below if I'm saying supposedly right, because honestly, what the fuck?
Supposedly. Yeah. Oh!
Alright.
Making a mess out here, but it's
I'm
okay.
also
I'll go ahead
blind.
and clean it later.
Okay, ready?
Okay, cheers.
Ooh, I don't like bell pepper. Okay.
Mm. Oh wow.
Oh. Oh,
No, it needs to be.
I don't find the bell pepper very like flavoring, and then TikTok was hyping this way too much. I don't know. Overall I give this like a 5 out of 10. It's not that bad.
It has for me, it's a 4. This was not it. All right, this was not it.
Not it. You guys are not ready for the next one. It's like the weirdest
Combo.
freaking combo ever.
Oh.
We got pickles
Oh yeah.
and cotton candy.
All right. Okay.
Pickles wrapped in cotton candy.
So
Okay,
people.
if I get diarrhea, it's for you. So
So people already tried this before us, right? And they say like this one is top. Like this one's fire.
yeah, they say this one is like really good. So we'll try it. I think we need another plate.
Okay. Let me get a paper plate. So guys, I just want to go ahead and share that we have a bunch of items in our pantry.
Oh, I smell the pickle. I am not a fan of pickles either.
And that's okay.
And that's okay.
I think that's
So we got our pickle.
the best combo. Oh, okay. I get this one. All right.
Yeah. Alright. And
so
we
now-
have our cotton candy. Okay, so like
Tell them what happened, babe. Tell them what happened.
these struggle to find cotton candy was real. Seriously though.
Oh my god.
And I guess he's privileged, but he never ate cotton candy when he was young. My mom would always buy it like at a gas station or Walmart or HEB. He didn't even know these existed. Don't even
Look,
lie.
I only had cotton candy whenever I went to the carnival. You know, Brownsville, you know what's up.
We had
You know
cotton
what's up.
candy with the paletero. We
Okay.
had cotton candy at gas stations, in El Oxxo.
Or I would get a turkey leg. That was me. I wasn't the one on sweets. I was more on like turkey leg, mustard, all of that.
Yeah.
You know? Second little just here, but we're getting it. You Yo, it's a little sticky. What's going on, dude? What did you do here? Oh, okay, we got it. Alright. So yeah, we found this at Party City.
Yeah, we found it at Party City after like going to 1,000 stores. Ooh, I haven't had cotton candy since I worked at
wow.
Chicken Cheese. I used
Oh
to
yeah,
eat
they
it.
serve it at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, I used to eat it in the little changing room. Yeah. All right, so the trick here is
Wait a minute.
that you are supposed to literally coat your pickle. Should we?
I don't know.
Honestly, let's just let them out because I don't know.
I'm back.
Sorry if you hear dogs. We just had to take them out of the kennel because they're insanely dramatic. Anyways,
Yeah.
so the trick here is that you literally need to coat your pickle in cotton candy. So that's what we're gonna do. Literally just coat it.
Coat it all the way around.
Seriously, I want to know.
You know, tuck it in bed, say goodnight, you know, say a bedtime story. Do whatever you need to do just to get the job done. You were saying something?
I seriously don't know.
Damn, you're going it all the way. I'm sorry, go ahead. Damn.
I don't know who makes these snacks. Like,
I don't know.
who says I'm just gonna coat my pickle in cotton candy? Now that you have your pickle coated in cotton candy, you just bite into it. So that's what we're about to do.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, mate.
Dude, your pickle's not even coated.
Dude, you got the whole bag.
Okay, let's do it. Ready?
Wait,
Oh,
what?
if I vomit, I swear to God.
Nah,
Something.
I think something's telling me it's gonna be pretty good.
Oh, okay, ready?
Ready?
1,
2, 3. Oh wow. Mmm.
Why is this low-key fire? Why is this fucking low-key fire?
Mmm. That's pretty fire.
Wow. I'm
Wow.
speechless.
You know, it brings out like that sweet and sour mix, but like you don't even taste the sour. It's sweet.
No, you do taste the sour, but
I don't know,
it's like sweet but sour. Or
right?
sweet and sour. Okay, out
This
of
might be a
any
great snack.
snack that we've tried, you need to try this one. Make it takes 3 seconds, try it, it's fucking fire.
But before you even try it, I want to point out, go get this at Party City.
Not sponsored, we only got 30 subscribers.
May have it at Walmart if you really look at the aisles really hard, because if not, you're gonna be very upset. Throw a tantrum. But
It's good.
it's a 10. It's a 10 for sure.
It's a 10. Wow.
Are we gonna finish it or like? I think I can.
We have come down to our last snack.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what
Not
it is.
me, but the cheese.
You are.
Tell them what it is.
So, Exhibit A, we have the mozzarella sticks.
The TikTok that we saw said that we make the mozzarella sticks and then we coat them in Takis. I think it's gonna be good. I mean, it would have been better with hot Cheetos, but that's what TikTok said. So we'll try with Takis and then we'll see. It says to put it in the oven, but ain't nobody got time for that, so we're gonna microwave it. We're not gonna die, so.
All right.
Microwave at least for like.
Let's do at least 5. Says microwave cooking is not recommended. Yikes.
Well, we're gonna do it. It says it's not recommended, but we can still do it.
Then let's do it. Alright, get this mozzarella stick out.
So then we are going to crush our Takis.
Now go ahead and... Okay, alright, no! Calm down those chips though.
Ow! You know what? It would have been better with a fucking spoon or something. Yeah, me pique.
Okay. I know it hurts. Oh yeah, it's opening up a little bit.
With a spoon.
Jesus. We're not to do 1 or 2 or 3.
No, just 1 inch. Alright, look. Se está quemando. No manches, Marcus.
Yikes. Ouch. That does not look good at all.
This does not look edible.
That's what I'm saying, like, it's gotta be oven. I don't think it's it's not microwavable, I'm telling you. So guys.
Well, this did not turn out how we expected. Marcus, yeah, he made these cheese sticks stick to the plate. So we are just not gonna attempt this because honestly, these cheese sticks, they don't even.
Yeah, and it says you have to.
Yeah, no.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah. We're just trying to do it.
Can't.
Our house smells like burnt right now, but it's.
So guys, that was a total fail. But we're gonna go ahead and close this video for today.
Overall, the TikTok snacks were good, minus the bell pepper. I mean, it was not that bad, but it wasn't like our favorite. But hey, TikTok's doing something.
It is.
Thank you so much for watching our video, you guys. This is our first video, and we're honestly so excited to start this new journey.
Yes.
Stay tuned for more
Be
videos.
patient, we'll be coming soon.
Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are so happy, and we are just a couple that we love filming. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay. Yay, we did it.
Oh, bloopers.
Oh, how do I stop it?